Hi, I'm Danial.
Hello guys, I'm ISMA Mizan.
Hi, my name is SYAFIQAH.
And I'm SYIFA.
So together, the four of us will be on a mission to help Busu decrypt the matrix and obtain the secret message. Okay, so this is a secret message. So we need to decrypt three matrix, K1, K2, and K3. So I'll do K1, Shafiqah you do K2, and Shifa you do K3. I'll share an update later. Right, so I've fully decrypted matrix K1 using a John method. Here's the matrix I've gotten, the decrypted matrix. It looks kind of odd. How about you, Shafiqah? How's it going on with K2? How did you do it?
Moving on to matrix K2, also a 4x4 matrix, we need to find its inverse matrix using the ERO method. Firstly, we will argue the matrix with its identity matrix. The goal is to successfully convert the matrix identity from the right hand side to the left hand side. Here is what the matrix have come to. Now, we need to swap the rows because the element at row 3, column 3 equals to 0. So, we need to find the first non-zero element under the pivot entry. As you can see, there are no such entries, so matrix K2 are not invertible. The conclusion is the inverse of matrix K2 does not exist.
Oh, so the inverse from matrix K2 does not exist. How about you, Shifa? Could you find the inverse from matrix K3? Could you decrypt the matrix?
Similar to the step for matrix K1, first we will need to determine the determinant of the matrix by expanding it. Then we will obtain the value -18 for its determinant. Next is to find the cofactor of K3. Thirdly, the cofactor of the matrix obtained is converted into the matrix adjoint. Then we will substitute the determinant and multiply it with the matrix adjoint. Thus, here is the inverse of K3. Finally, multiply the inverse of K3 with the matrix P. Here is the result.
Okay, so it looks like matrix K3 is all fine. It could be decrypted fully. So ISMA, would you help us determine which matrix is the correct secret message?
Now we can determine which decrypted matrix contains the secret message. Firstly, we can presume that matrix K2 is false with no message since its inverse does not exist, leaving us with descriptive matrix of K1 and K3. As we can see, each value of whole number from 0 to 26 have its own letter or prefix it stands for. We will use this code to fully convert the descriptive matrix into a message. Firstly, matrix K1 has no message to describe since all the value in the descriptive matrix is not whole number. Thus, matrix K1 is false. Moving on, its matrix K3, all the value in the descriptive matrix is whole number, so can convert it into a message. Finally, we will obtain this matrix in letter. In conclusion, this secret message sent by Along to Busan is berimu berbakti.
Alright, so thank you ISMA, SYAFIQAH and SYIFA for helping all of us to finally help Busu decrypt the messages he had gotten from Along. So we've done it. In conclusion, the secret message that being conveyed from Along to Busu was with ilmu berbakti, and this has been totally decrypted from the decryption of matrix K3.